Hello and welcome to the second in our series of video lessons focused on the new web editor released in June of 2013 within your mamboschools website. As you know, the web editor allows you to easily update content within your school website, and other components use the web editor to allow you to type descriptions, captions, and many other tasks. The web editor is certainly the most used extension in your website, and after many years of service, the longtime web editor has received an update. Although the web editor looks very much the same as its older sibling, the new one has a few different ways of handling items. In this second video, we're going to explore how to create links to external websites, email links, and menu links. The Insert Edit Links feature is still located within the top portion of the web editor, but it has several new features. So the first item that we're going to be doing is just to link to an external website. So I have my Blue Ribbon School article opened up, and again I got this article by clicking into the content menu and selecting from the article manager. I've also opened up a different tab on my browser, and I've went to the Indiana Department of Education, the Blue Ribbon Schools page. And what I'm going to do right now is to go ahead and copy the URL from the browser bar. Now this is out of sight for you, but what I'm doing is I'm highlighting or double clicking on the URL, and I'm holding down on my Control key and tapping C for copy. So I'm copying the URL into my computer clipboard. If you have a Mac, use Command C. Once the URL has been copied into my clipboard, I'm going to go back to my Blue Ribbon School article tab and highlighting the words 2013 Blue Ribbon School Award, because here's where I want to place my link. I click onto the Insert Edit Link button. Again, it's in the bottom row all the way to the left, and it looks like a chain link. Again, that hasn't changed from the last version of our web editor. What has changed is the pop-up box that will appear, yet we still have a place where we click down and we do a Control V as in victory or Command V, and we paste in our URL from the DOE website. Now by option, you can set the target. Now you don't have to do this, but if you remember from the last editor, you click the Advanced tab. Well, here the target is just below on the pop-up box, and you just click the drop down, and I'm going to set it so that my user, when they click onto this link, it's going to open up a new window and then connect to the DOE website. If I leave it as not set, the DOE website is simply going to cover over my current website that I'm setting at. But by option, I'm going to set up open in a new window and click the insert button, and my link has been established. And that's how you link to an external website, not much different than it was in the past. Now the second type of link that we're going to make is an email link. And if you'll notice at the bottom of my text, I have a line that says, for more information about our Blue Ribbon School, please email our principal. Well, I'm going to click down and highlight please email our principal. Come up to the Insert Edit Link button and click once. Now in order to establish an email link, we have to move to the right of the URL area. We see a little envelope, and if you hover over, you'll see email. We click it one time, and here's where we enter our email address. So I'm going to just enter our mamboschools address, and that's all I have to do. I could click OK at this point, but I'm going to add one more option on. Again, it's an option, and I'm going to go ahead and put the subject in the subject area, more info about Blue Ribbon Schools. What's going to happen is that when my end user clicks onto the link, it's not only going to create a brand new mail message, but it's automatically going to put in the subject area more info about Blue Ribbon Schools. I'm just going to save them a little bit of time by placing that in, and it's helpful also that my end user sees that, or my principal sees that, and he can target those in his email. So I just clicked OK. And now I'm going to click the insert button, and my email link has been established. And that's the second type of link that we're going to work on. The third type of link uses a new feature of the insert edit link pop-up box. Right here in the middle is an area where we can link to our contacts component, our web links component. We can link to the article manager, which is called content here. And for us, for our third one, we're going to be actually linking to the actual menu item. So let me cancel out of this, and let's come to the public side of our website. And here's what I want to do. On this article, I'm talking about our new one-to-one initiative. And the one-to-one article is located under the students menu right here. And I'll go ahead and click and show you that one-to-one article that I want to link to. And there it is. And I'm going to go back to my web editor on my administrative side. And in the first paragraph right here at the end, it says, learn more about our one-to-one initiative by clicking here. And this is where I want to establish that link to that menu item on the public side. So in order to do that, the Insert Edit Link button makes it a little bit easier. And I'm going to go right to my menus area. And remember, I'm linking to my main menu, so I click the little plus sign. And I'm drilling down the navigation. And remember that it was under Students, the Students menu. So I click the plus sign on Students. And within the list, there's my one-to-one initiative link. So I click it one time. It automatically puts the URL in. I don't need to set my target because I'm staying within the website. So all I have to do at this point is click the Insert button, and my link has been established. Now, just to show you all of these links, I'm going to go up and apply my changes. Come back to my public side, and I'm going to go back to the home page, kind of refresh everything. And my Blue Ribbon Schools article is actually listed under District News. So here's my article that I just updated. And there are my three links. One to the Blue Ribbon School Award site, which opens up the DOE site. Here's learn more about our one-to-one initiative by clicking here. So I can click this and it goes off to my internal page. I'm going to bounce back here to my Blue Ribbon page. And hopefully when I click here, my email program is going to open up, and there's my info@mamboschools.com, which would be your principal's email address, and there's the subject line being already set up for you. So you can see that with the Insert Edit Link button, we can do two things that we're pretty much familiar with, but we also are adding on a way to link to other items throughout the website. And I would really encourage you to work on this third task and try linking to contact pages and content pages and even web links if you're using the web links component. If you have any other questions about the web editor or the links feature, please contact our Mambo Schools support. I appreciate you taking time to listen to this video. Keep in mind that there are several video lessons about our new web editor, so look around our website at www.mamboschools.com and click on those other videos as well and learn about these brand new features. Thank you.